Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, fantastic. Here we are, zooming into the inner Sunset neighborhood. Very walkable, extremely convenient, lots of transit options, and more importantly, lots of food and drink, coffee shops, and 2.5 blocks just south of Golden Gate Park. Okay, here we are in the exterior of the building. Only 3 units in the building. This one is a garden unit studio located in the back. Here is 8th Avenue. And we're going to go, the entrance is an alley entrance right here. So let's go ahead and step on in. This will be locked, of course. And then you go down this side entrance alley situation. Trash recycling and compost is conveniently located right outside the door. Let's step on in. This is, once again, a garden studio. Newly renovated as of 2025. New vinyl flooring, new appliances, dishwasher, garbage disposal, fridge, and a stove range. All right, we have 2 new double pane windows facing the backyard. So there's the kitchen, and here is the studio. Closet back there on the left. We have a stand-up shower. New pedestal sink, 2025. Exhaust and a water closet, meaning your toilet is separate. And actually kind of a decent sized room. Some storage there for toiletries, things like that. Okay. All brand new kitchen as of 2025. Dishwasher, stainless steel sink, fridge, freezer. Full size, nice size. There is a farmer's market in the inner Sunset, so that might be kind of fun to go to. Decent sized closet, actually nice sized closet, and room for a bed, table, and maybe a small sofa. That is the heater right there on the wall. Okay. This has a shared backyard, so right outside your unit, you can enjoy this patio here and put some furniture if you wish. A lot of sand here in the backyard in the Sunset. This, I think, was reclaimed beach at one point. A lot of grass doesn't grow, just an FYI, but you can give it a shot if you wish. And there's some shared furniture right here in the back. Does belong to the upstairs tenants, but I think they would... It is a shared space. There is what the back looks like. Once again, 3 units total in the building. We are pet friendly. Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, well, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.